Hello friends, happy Tuesday. My name is Ray with Dizzy Designer, and today we're going to paint this adorable little farmhouse sitter set that I just added to the website. Sorry about all the noise. Hello Aunt Tam. I'm going to show you all these fun pieces here in just a second. If I can even remember how they all go together. Hello Christy. Okay, I'm gonna grab some sponges out here. I do have a sick boy upstairs, so I'm probably not gonna stay on here for very long. We probably won't finish this, but we'll get it started. So it's a shelf sitter. Comes with a couple of different bases. There's a cute little tree, 3D tree. Hey Vicky. What do you call this? A windmill? I don't know. Cute little farm thing. Let's see here. There is, I gotta find all the right pieces to see where they go, but there's a cute little dog house. There's a cute little bone. There's a cat, a chicken, a dog. Hey Susan. Hi Sam. Thank you so much for sharing. I appreciate that. Let's see what else we have. There's little people, so you can customize it with like however many people are in your family. There is little banners, lots of windows, a little barn door. Here's a cute little tractor. Isn't that cute? Oh, goodness. And then there's like little house pieces and a barn. Hold on, there's a barn. So we're gonna paint these. Thank you. Hi, Susan. Hi, Edie. How are you doing, Susan? All right, let's see. I'm going to start with, I think that all of these pieces go on all of these stands. Let's see here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 different spots. Hello, Danielle. To put the pieces in to stand up in the little sitter thing. Oh, this is the little chicken coop area then, right? Yes. Cute little picket fence. I'm trying to find all the pieces. Am I holding? No, I'm not. Here's the barn. Here's our little barn doors. Trying to separate it out a little bit, and then we can go ahead and start painting all the pieces. What goes on here? Nothing. Not that. I don't think this either. Well, maybe. This goes on here. So it's got a little roof. I think this little thing goes on here. This has to go on here. It just must hang off the edges. Yep, it does. Just hangs off the edges. Hello, Tanya. Do I make shirts? I do make some shirts, yes. Let's see. Cute little home banner, and then I think this says, yep, Farm Sweet Farm. So it comes with a bunch of people. These windows, I don't know where they go. I guess we'll put them wherever we want to. Oh, this barn goes over here. It could just go on one of these little houses, I guess. Okay. Buddy is actually sick today. He has been throwing up all day long. So he hasn't eaten anything. He slept for a little bit. I just give him some more Sprite. At least he's drinking a little bit. So just kind of watching him. Hopefully he gets better. Hey, Vicky. Hello, Griffey. Thank you for sharing, Vicky. I appreciate that. Let's see. All right. I don't think I missed any questions. Does cost depend on style? Danielle, there's some shirts listed on my website. If you're looking for something customized, it does depend on, so I do, goodness, I'm all over the place. I do mostly sublimation now. I do have some screen prints still available, and I think they're all on the website. But other than that, it's sublimation. So if you're looking for something, just send me an email or a message, and I will let you know I'm pricing on that. Awesome. We'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, Susan, I hope so too. It's been a long day. So, all right, let's see. We'll go ahead and get started. I'll tip you guys down. I don't have any idea on colors or anything other than my barn is definitely going to be red because it's a barn. Let's see. Some flag red we're going to use. Hey, Deborah. How are you doing today? And I love this little house for the little chicken. Isn't that cute? I never had chickens, so I don't think. Not that I remember, but I did have a pet turkey. His name was Charlie. I think we're going to do... What color should our tractor be? I'm going to do the tree. I don't know. We'll see what we get done. I want to do it all, but it'll depend on how Bud's feeling. All right, so I'm going to start with red for... Whoops. Red for my barn. I guess this part, oh, it's got a, I don't even have to paint that far up because it's got a 3D piece, but that will be the roof. So it doesn't need to be red. Should my barn doors be red too, or should I do those different? I'm just painting it all, then I know for sure I covered up what I need to. Green tractor. You guys, that's exactly what I was thinking. I just didn't want to say it. I wanted to see what you all thought. All right, so this part will be black because it's our roof. And then I'll paint this little thing red because it's our, around our window, the window frame or whatever you want to call it. All right, let me know on the doors. Should the barn doors be red as well? I think so. I'm trying to think my grandpa's barn. I think you want black doors. Okay, that might work too. Black doors with a black roof. I'm trying to think. I think my grandpa's barn doors were red. All right, then I think this is where I'm going to put my little people. So in my house, we live with my parents. So we've got my Papa Bear and my Mama Bear. And then me, well, actually Buddy's taller than me. So does he have to be the taller one now? I guess that's the order that we have to put him in, huh? He's taller than my mom too. Black doors, all right. So there's 4 of us that live in the house here. So for my design, that's what I'm gonna do is put 4 little people just like that. I think that'll be cute. And then, oh, there are 2 dogs. There's a bigger dog and a little dog, and that's what we have as dogs. We don't have a cat, so I'm not going to use the cat because I don't have a cat. But I am going to put the chicken on here. Where'd he go? Rooster, whatever he is. Is he a rooster? Because he kind of reminds me of my old pet turkey. All right, so we've got our barn. I'm going to do the black doors and the black roof. And then... from there, then I'll go on and do our tractor. That's pavement, not black. Let's see, here we go. I'm just gonna use my brush. Oh my goodness, hold on a minute. Friends, yuck. Yuck, yuck, yuck. All right, I'm just gonna use my brush still because there's still bigger pieces. Hello, Renee. I kind of like that black door. It looks cool. Probably look even better when it's up against the barn, huh? All right. Oops, there's a hair on here. I think I'm going to try to paint around this square and fill it in with like blue so it just looks more like a window instead of being dark on the whole roof. All right, there we go. I'm gonna rinse my brush and I'm gonna do, I don't know, I'm all over the place on what I wanna do. That looks good. Hello, Teresa. Let's do our tree. I'm gonna do our tree. And then from there, after I get this part done, I'll go do the tractor because that'll be green too. And I'm using nutmeg brown and holly branch for the tree. Hello, Rhonda. There's that. And I might mix some different greens in on my tree, we'll see, to give it some more dimension. I probably will, but I'm probably just gonna do this whole first coat in the same color. And I shouldn't need to paint underneath there. Nope, I think we'll be good. So we got our tree, we got our barn. It's gonna be super cute, isn't it, Vicky? I think it's gonna be awesome when it's all done. Let's see, I'm gonna do a sky blue for this little part in the middle, and then I'll put our little window framing around it. Or you know what, instead of sky blue, because you're looking inside, I am gonna do a darker blue because it would be dark looking into the barn. But I don't want it to be black, I want it to look different so you can tell it's a window. I did tell Buddy I wouldn't be down here long, so I can't stay too long with you guys. I told him about a half an hour. He was gonna try to take a nap, so he should be sleeping, hopefully. Normally he doesn't care what I do, ever, but he didn't really want me to come down here, so. All right, there's that. Let's move on. I said we'd do our tractor next, and then I forgot, so we're gonna do our tractor next. I'm kind of like ADD tonight, all over the place. I'm gonna just paint the entire tractor green to start, and then I can go back through and change colors. There's 3D pieces for the tires, so those will get covered up in black. That's not a problem that they're green for now. It just makes it easier. I don't even know what color base. I think maybe I'll do a green base. I don't know that it really matters much. You probably won't see much of the base that they sit in. Usually I just do black. No, Rhonda, he's not. He's been sick all day. But if I do green, it'll look like it's in the yard. Does that make sense? Should I do... let's see. We'll do black tires. Hey, Debbie. Or should I do yellow, green and yellow? What do you guys think? Should his tires be black, or should I do, I could do yellow. I don't know how that'll work if I try to do yellow over top of these pieces. And these tires are not exactly circle, they're kind of rectangular, so they gotta fit on there exactly right, or you see the piece behind them. Let me know on the tractor. I'm gonna go ahead and do our cute little doghouse. I don't know, I'm overwhelmed with all these pieces. Gray, okay. Let's see. I was thinking of doing like blues and grays for my houses. And then I would have to match John Deere. That's what I was kind of thinking with the yellow. I think I'm gonna make my chicken coop be red just like the barn. The doghouse could be gray, and then I could do the house in blue. What do you guys think? I'm thinking that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna see if I have a different gray though. This one's really light. Oh, here we go. This one's darker. John Deere, green and yellow, and then black tires. Okay. Yellow for the wheels. Oh man, you guys are all giving me all different color ideas. I was kind of thinking that yellow would just stand out really good if we did the wheels and all the other parts yellow off of the green. We'll play with that in a minute. So we're gonna have a white dog bone, and then I have a gray-ish and a black dog, so we're gonna make those kind of match my dog, but I'm gonna do this in a dark gray for the dog house. Maybe I'll do gray. Oops, I scratched it. Do gray with blue trim on it, a dark blue trim. I kind of like that idea. I'm gonna try it. I like it. All right, so that's what we're gonna do for this piece, or that's what I did do for this piece, I guess. I'm gonna find, I gotta not move so much, my head's kind of dizzy. Hey, Sylvia. Do a white dog bone. And that'll go right on top of my house when I get that part done. Let's take a look at this together. There's our little barn piece. Oops. Hello, Julie. And then I'm gonna go over here, and I was thinking about doing opposite colors, so dark blue for the house and then gray for the roof part, like the trim area, like I did on the other one. We're gonna try it and see. We can always paint over it, right? And then I think I'll do my chicken real quick. We're close to done, guys. It's not gonna be a long live at all tonight. Not a very big brush. I should have grabbed a bigger one to do this part. Where'd my blue go? I'm losing it. Here it is. Cooking and watching. What are you cooking tonight, Vicki? I just had a big salad before I came down here. I don't know why I'm doing these colors because I don't live in a blue house. My house is tan and green, but just the colors I picked, I guess. I don't know. I was going to do this. We'll see. It might look good still. I'm just starting to second guess myself and thinking it should be a black roof, but maybe gray will look good. Hello, Marilyn. Baked chicken green bean casserole. Ooh, that sounds good. Let's see if I like it. I do kind of like it. It's just totally opposite. Can you guys see that? I just got paint all over that was wet, so let me fix my blue here. That's why I try not to set them down on top of each other until they're dry, but I was being impatient. It does sound delicious, doesn't it, Deborah? That sounds really good. All right, let's see. Let's do our cute little chicken coop real quick. I'm doing this red to match my barn. I don't know why. I don't think that they're red. I don't remember. I don't think so. The ones I've seen, I don't think were red, but I just want it to match my barn. I kind of want my colors to all go together instead of having every little thing different, but if it don't look good, we can always change it. So we're gonna do that, and then I'm gonna do this in black. We got our cute little picket fence here. I'm gonna do in white in a minute. I'm gonna do our people, and then I'm gonna try to put this together with what we have done so far and see if it fits on one of the bases. And then I can always come back live this weekend, later this week or something, and finish the other pieces with you guys. I like that, but you know what? I want these to be black too, these little stairs going in there. There we go. I like that better. And then I'm gonna do my white picket fence. I'm gonna do my little chicken white as well. Then in my house, I've got a little tiny black dog, so I'm gonna paint this dog black. And then my other dog is gray, but he's really light gray. He's like a whitish gray. So I'm gonna do this very light gray. Oops, rinse the black out of my brush. Hey, Erica. And of course, these will need second coats on. Some of these colors, like this light gray, definitely will need a second coat, but... And the white, I like a second coat on. So let's see here. We have got a couple pieces done. Let's see how we can put them together. Let's do... Ooh, why is our tree so big? Does it fit in a specific one? Hold on a minute. Nope, I think they're all cut, so you can put them however you want to, I guess. I'm gonna stick my tree here by my house, and then I'm gonna have my dog house here. And then my barn and my tractor I'm gonna put on here too. So it'll look like, well, then I won't have my little, hey Mary Jane, I won't have my little, goodness, I'm losing my marbles. My little chicken's house thing. That's all right. It's not finished yet. We're just doing part of it. And this will just show you guys how part of it can be done. And then, like I said, I can come back on tomorrow night or something if he's feeling better, or this weekend or something, and we'll finish the other pieces. Oh goodness, that slid all over the place. It is clear, so it should be good. Let me grab a wipe here though. Just clean up some of the extra slop there. This is where my people are gonna go. I'm thinking I'm gonna do my people in the same gray color, or maybe I'll do those in the light gray like my dog. We'll match my dog since we're all related. Thanks, Vicky. I definitely will. He doesn't really want anything to do with me any other time, so I will take advantage of it. Let's see. I don't hear him right now, so I think he probably fell asleep. He was going to try to take a nap, so hopefully that's what he's doing. I'll let this lay down for a minute so it doesn't slide off of here. I'm going to paint my little people real quick. And that light gray. I started cutting my subscription box kits this week, or this morning, not this weekend, this morning before he got sick. So I got some of those cut, so they'll be all ready to go out starting next week. They'll start, I think they'll ship on Monday because the first is on Friday, so that'll give me time to get all the rest of them cut and then ship out on Monday. Aww. The people need colored shirts. I could do that. I just thought it would blend, it would look good. We'll see. I'm doing them gray for now, but they could definitely, oh man, I stuck it in red instead of gray. What the heck am I doing? Where'd my gray go? Just a tiny bit more. I could just leave their heads gray and then do, now I think I hear them up there. And then do their body parts in different colors. But I think I hear them moving around, so I'm just gonna finish this real quick and then I can worry about coloring those in the rest of the way later. I didn't even finish our tractor, but I'm gonna do yellow, I think, for the tractor. Make it into our little John Deere. Stick my phone up here. Put my little Sassy and Oliver down here. That's my dog's names. Sassy was my sister's, but when she got married, she left her with me. So I have her dog. I adopted her, and now I have Sassy and Oliver. All right. Oh man, I just knocked him crooked. Let me fix him. There we go. Put my chicken like right here so it looks like he's climbing up the steps maybe. We'll see. Well, he probably, there we go. he goes up there better, he'll look more like he's climbing the stairs. Okay, did we do, I got the house on there. I don't think we did the barn. We did not do the barn. Barely put any glue on there, that's why I kept doing that. I'm just putting a little tiny bit on as I moved it along, because I don't want that to leak all over the place. I think I'm gonna do my little fence by the house somewhere too, or yeah, I think so, we'll see. My tree's on here good. My house, let's get our people lined up. Nope. And even with these glued down, I can come back through later on and put colors on their shirts. You just got to be more careful once they're glued down. But it's doable, so I'll do that later on, because I do think they'll probably look cute with some different shirt colors. Can stick us all in our favorite color shirts. Does anybody know what my favorite color is? Or what Buddy's favorite color is? Thinking about putting this like here so it kind of hangs off the edge too. I just kind of like that look. It gives it more dimension, even though they're already dimensional pieces. There we go. Okay, and I didn't paint my grass yet. I'm not gonna worry about it. Blue, nope, not blue. All right, let's see. Ouch. See what's dry here, what we can play with and what we should leave alone. I'm gonna put my tree in the back here. Ooh, be careful when you push them in there. I just heard something crack. You're so right, Deborah. Pink for me. Yep, Vicky, you're right. What about for Buddy? Anybody know Buddy's favorite color? I think I'll do my barn in the background and my little chicken up front. Are these dry? I think they're good. You're right, Vicky. Green's his favorite color. Yes, Mary Jane, this is a kit on my website. It's on there. Where is it at? I think it's under spring or summer. I have to look and see where it's listed, but yes, you can get this on my website. So we didn't finish it, obviously, today. Preston's not feeling good, but here's my start. I'm gonna paint this green, I think is what I decided. Yes, green for Buddy. So this represents my dad and my mom and me and Buddy, and then my dog Oliver and Sassy, and I don't have a chicken, but I used to have a turkey, so this represents Charlie. Yeah, he is obsessed with green. He has been obsessed with green since he was a tiny baby. If you handed him anything and it had green, he always picked it, always. All right, so let me start cleaning up. I will plan on coming live with you guys again, maybe as soon as tomorrow if he's feeling better, and we'll finish our pieces. Let me show you the rest of it for anybody that's just hopping on that wasn't here with us in the beginning. We've got the little windmill. I don't know if that's what you call it. It probably has some other name. We've got our tractor that I started, but I have to finish painting him. And then we have got just some more home pieces. So there's this piece. Here's this piece with a little window. And then there's this piece and a banner that says home, which can be moved around. These don't have to stay where they are. And then there's also letters that say farm, sweet farm. Where'd my other F go? Here it is. So we can put those on all these pieces. And then there's these other bases, so you'll be able to move them around. We might not leave it set up how it is, but really I like this just how it is, and might leave this displayed just like this for my house, and not use the other pieces. But I will come on live and finish painting them with you guys. So that is it for tonight, friends. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me on this lovely Tuesday. And I will be live again on Friday, and I also will be live on Saturday for our spring event in the Creatives Coast to Coast group. So if you're not in there, make sure you follow us over there and sign up for that event. And if you're new to me, hit the follow button. Thanks so much, Deborah. I'll let him know. He'll appreciate that. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.